Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am very happy to speak on the occasion of Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day in 1950, our country became a republic and our Constitution came into force. The Constitution is the supreme law of our nation. It gives us important rights, such as the right to equality, freedom, and education. It also teaches us our duties, like respecting our country, obeying laws, and helping others. Republic Day reminds us of the great leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Because of them, we live in a free and democratic country today. On this day, the President of India hoists the national flag and a grand parade is held in New Delhi. It shows the strength, culture, and unity of our country. As students, we should study well, follow discipline, and be honest citizens. Let us promise to make our country strong and proud. Jai Hind.